Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to apply for Capital One business credit card. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So I've actually prepared some few methods or steps on how you can apply for a Capital One business credit card. So first is go to Capital One website and navigate to the business credit card section. After that, review the available business credit card options, such as the Spark Cash or Spark Miles cards. Compare features, fees, and benefits. Now, once you've selected a card, click the Apply Now button to begin the process. Enter your personal details like full name, home address, social security number, and contact information. After that, input your business name, business address, tax identification number, industry, and legal structure. And then provide the business's annual revenue, years in operation, and other financial details. Now, carefully review the card's terms, interest rates, and other conditions. Accept them before proceeding. Now, once done, review the information you've entered and ensure accuracy and submit the application for processing. After that, you'll receive a confirmation and your application will be reviewed. Approval or denial will be communicated via email or mail, usually within a few days. And once approved, you will receive your card in the mail. Just follow the instructions provided to activate and start using your business credit card. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!